G'day! I'm Stu here from Wait a minute, hold on. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're gonna... Hold on, I get this right. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today I am totally stoked and excited because why? Because I've got the new Tiny Whoop brushless motors. These are the Moose Juice. These are the 802 17,500 kV brushless Tiny Whoop motors from Tiny Whoop, and I'm going to be building it today. So without further ado, let's get it over here on the bench and let's get to building. Alright guys, so here is everything that you're going to need. So today I am using the Beta FPV F4 brushless flight board. I'm using my Cyclops 2. This is my VTX and camera combo. I'm using the Gemfan 31mm props, and I'm using my canopy, and then I'm using the Beta FPV. What is this? The 65mm Pro with the duct protectors up there, or whatever those things are called, and then just the screws I'm going to need. So this should be a pretty easy build. And then of course the star of the show today is going to be the new Tiny Whoop motors. So let's take these guys out and take a look at them and see what they look like. So here they are in their tiny little glory. These are the 0802. They are the 75, if I can get it there, 17,500 kV motors, and these are the official Tiny Whoop branded motors. So your black motors are your counterclockwise, and your red motors should be your clockwise, but you can also put them any way that you want, and you can adjust it in BL Heli. So, and you also get a set of mounting screws for your motors that come in the motors, or come in the package with the motors. So yeah, there we go. Okay, so first thing what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my motors, and I'm going to mount them to the frame. So let me do that, and I'll come right back. Alright, so there we go. So I've gotten the motors all attached. Very, very simple. Only 3 screws. So what I'll do next is I'm going to go ahead and twist these motor wires, and then I'll go ahead and... Now, I chose the Beta FPV F4 board. It does not have an integrated antenna for the receiver, so I'm going to have to solder that on. So I am going to be using the FR Sky XM light receiver. So there's a lot of different choices out there, but I chose this one. So whatever you want to use, but I'm going to go ahead and solder that on. You can see I've gotten the motors, and I put those into the motor holders. I also went ahead and soldered up my XM light receiver to the board, and I already had actually bound it to my Tyrannus QX7. And I went ahead and put the top and the bottom bolts down for the flight controller. So we're good there. So basically what the next step is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my camera. I'm going to solder this to the board, and then I will screw this on there, and then we're almost done. After that, then basically all I got to do is just program this into Betaflight, make sure everything is connected. I've already plugged it in and give it some juice, and it is connecting just fine. I'm getting the Betaflight beeps like normal, so everything is going good so far. Here it is. Here is my brushless Tiny Whoop. So just so you guys know, from the beginning of the video, I did have to switch out flight controllers. The original flight controller I used went bad. I don't know why. It just decided not to work. So I switched over to the Crazy Bee F4 Pro by Tiny Whoop. So everything I got here from Tiny Whoop, except for my VTX, this is the Cyclops 2. They don't sell that at Tiny Whoop. But yeah, so and tonight is race night down in Denver, so I'm going to be taking this with me, and we're going to race it. I'll get some footage for you guys, and we'll see how it flies.